Good morning. Welcome to Sunday Morning Coffee with Steve. We're all on a journey. We're all inside of amusement park Earth. We're all riding a ride. Take these off. We're all riding a ride. And sometimes we need to stop and check and see where we are inside the amusement park and what ride we're on. And so I'm going to tell a story about a king who ruled his kingdom justly, but he didn't have a wife or kids, and he was getting old, and he knew he had to select a successor. So he had one of his ministers go out and make an announcement that the king was looking for a successor, and anyone who wanted to come apply needed to come and enter a training program of 6 months. And hundreds of people showed up thinking that they were indeed fit for the job. And this 6-month training process included access to the royal bathhouse, massages, saunas, Reiki. And then after that, you would go to the Royal Equestrian Center and learn how to take care of and ride the royal horses. After that, you would go to the Royal Academy and learn politics, astrology, religion. And then after that, you would wind up at the School of Meditation. And if you got through the School of Meditation, you were going to be fit to enter the Holy Temple. And it is there that you would get your final interview with the king. So after about 5.5 months, the king asked his minister, where's everybody at? How's it going? And the minister says, well, I'm not sure. Let me go check. So he goes and checks and goes to the royal bathhouse, and about half the people were still there enjoying the saunas and massages and Reiki, and some of them had set up shop there selling essential oils and doing other kinds of massage. And the minister said, why are y'all still here? And they said, you know what, we found our purpose in life, and tell the king thanks, but we're going to stay here and do this. And they gave the minister their business card, and they said, if the king wants a discount on some essential oils, here's my business card. The minister shook his head and walked out and went on over to the Royal Equestrian Center, and same thing. Big bunch of people were still there, and they had set up shop training horses, training riding, making saddles, set up shop. And they told the minister, no, we're good. Tell the king thanks, but we found our purpose in life. And once again, they gave the minister their business cards and said, if the king or any of the other ministers wants a discount, just bring this card and we will hook you up. The minister shook his head again and went on to the Royal Academy, where the people were being trained in politics, and they were fighting and arguing and getting positions of power. And the minister asked, why haven't you moved on from here? And same thing, this is what we're going to do. We're politicians, and tell the king thanks, but we're going to stay here and do this. went on to the place in the Royal Academy where they were teaching religion, and they had all set up shop there, and they had created, check this, they had created different religions and sects, and they told the minister, they each gave him their card and said, we have figured it out. Tell the king if he wants to know the perfect religion to come see us, because we have the answers. And he went to the next room. The astrologers had all set up shop, and they were selling trinkets and jewelry and doing readings, and they didn't want to go any further either. So my allergies are bad this morning. I'm sorry. So he went to the meditation room, and nobody was there. So he went back to the king and reported what he had found, and the king said there was really nobody in the meditation room learning how to turn inward and seek the way. The minister said, no, sir, that nobody was interested. He said, well, how about the Holy Temple? There was nobody in there, and he said, no, only the cleaning boy. The king said, what cleaning boy? He said, yeah, there's a boy there that cleans the temple. He's like 12 or 13 years old. He's been there his whole life. And the king said, bring the boy to me. So the minister brought the boy to the king, and the king asked him, why do you clean the temple? And the boy said, that's all I've ever done. And the king asked him, what do you do there? What do you see there? And he goes, well, I wait for you, and I watch you undress and leave everything outside of the temple, including all of your thoughts. And after you're gone, I go in and clean up. The king said, this one is the only one fit. I'll leave you with that this morning. I hope you've discovered where you are in the journey. Until next time, cheers. Peace out.